Hello viewers, welcome to Quick Mathematics. The problem is, suppose K is equal to this 4 by 4 matrix. Evaluate determinant of K. So this is the symbol for determinant. Let us take the quick solution. Solution: we have the given 4 by 4 matrix. In order to evaluate the determinant, the entries are enclosed under the symbol of determinant. I'm going to use the Laplace method of evaluating determinant. That method is best used for 2 by 2 matrices. So we are to reduce the given matrix to 2 by 2 matrices. To achieve that, you can expand either along the row or column. I'm going to expand along the row using row 1. The row you wish to expand along with, you assign the cofactor signs or checkerboard signs to it. In that row, the first entry, the sign to it is positive. The second is negative. Third, positive. Fourth, negative. In row 1, the first entry is 2. That is plus 2. You record it down. Then you delete or cover row 1, column 1, where that entry is located. You are left with this 3 by 3 minor matrix. Let's continue. The second element in the first row is 3. The checkerboard sign to it is negative. So you have minus 3. Then you delete first row and second column where that entry is located. You are left with this, and this. Another 3 by 3 minor matrix. You move to the third element. The third element in the first row is 1. That is plus 1. You record it. Then you delete row 1, column 3. That is first row, third column, where that element is located. You have this, and this. Another 3 by 3 minor matrix. The fourth element in the expansion row is 8. That is minus 8. Then you delete first row, fourth column. You are left with this 3 by 3 minor matrix. After this, you take the first 3 by 3 minor matrix and you reduce it to 2 by 2 minor matrices under determinant. You have it here. You also assign the cofactor signs. The first element is positive, the second negative, the third is positive. I'm using row 1 to expand. This 2 will be kept outside, then we expand. You take the first entry, that is -4. You have plus -4, that is -4. You cover first row, first column. You have this 2 by 2 minor matrix that is left. The second element there is 6. The cofactor sign is negative, so you have -6 written in this form. Then you cover first row, second column. You are left with this and this, another 2 by 2 minor matrix. The third element in the expansion row is -2. The checkerboard sign is positive, so you have plus -2. You cover first row, third column. Where that element is located, you have this 2 by 2 minor matrix left in this form. Now you evaluate the determinant for the 2 by 2 minor matrices. The determinant is simply difference of the product of the two diagonals, where you start with the main diagonal. The product 7 times 1 is 7. Difference means minus. You take the second diagonal. The product is 15 in this form. You move here, you have -6. You take the product of the main diagonal, that is 1, minus product of the second diagonal, that is 6. Plus -2 is -2. Then you take product of the main diagonal, that is 5. Difference is minus product of the second diagonal, that is 14. This 2 is still outside. You come here and subtract. 7 minus 15 is -8 times -4. You have 32. You come here, 1 minus 6 is -5 times -6. That is plus 30. You come here, 5 minus 14 is -9 times -2. You have plus 18. 32 plus 30 plus 18 is equal to 80 times these 2. You have 160. After this, you take the next 3 by 3 minor matrix and you apply the same procedures with the first 3 by 3 minor matrix, and the final result is 312 for this 3 by 3 minor matrix. Next, you take this and this. At the end, you add all the results together. Here is the third 3 by 3 minor matrix. If you apply the same procedures discussed earlier, you have minus 35 as the determinant. Next is the last 3 by 3 minor matrix. With similar procedures, you have minus 904 as the determinant. Therefore, determinant of matrix K is equal to the addition of all the results from the 3 by 3 minor matrices. The first one, its determinant is 160 plus the second 312, the third minus 35, and the last minus 904. If you carry out this operation, the determinant of matrix K is equal to minus 467.